Welcome to Controls Explorer. In this video, we will show you most common errors you may come across once you download to Rockwell or Allen Bradley HMI Panel View Plus and the fixes for those kind of errors. So let's begin here. One of the errors, as you can see, instead of occupying the whole screen, the image is right at the corner of the HMI. Or there could be other kind of HMI error as well. For example, this one, what it says, please load an appropriate HMI application for this HMI, which basically tells you nothing except for the fact that there is an error. One of the most common reasons for this kind of errors that we selected a wrong type of HMI. So let's correct it. Go to the project settings, right click, open, and that will lead you to a new window right over here where you can correct your HMI selection. So let's scroll down the window and select the right HMI, the appropriate HMI. For this example, we had selected the wrong one, so we just corrected it, and there is a warning here, hit OK. So we have changed the HMI to the right one. Now, next, we should not download the HMI program right away, since every time you do a change, you have to create a new run or .mer version before you can download to HMI. So let's go back and create a new .mer version before you download those changes and to take effect into the HMI. So let's create a new .mer or run version of the HMI program. But one thing please note here, as of March 2017, all the Rockwell or Allen Bradley touchscreen HMI Panel View Plus, those are not compatible to any run version if you create above 8.0. So please select the version either 8.0 or lower, whichever suits the HMI what you have. Remember one thing again, as of March 2017. So here we are creating the run or .mer version of this HMI program. Next, we are going to transfer. So select the .mer which you created just now, select the HMI and download it to the HMI. So here it says the download is complete, but unfortunately there is one more error. Let's look back it again. Again, go to the project settings, right click, open. Look over here. Most of the HMI what we have is a standard, not enhanced. So correct it. Unfortunately, once again, we have to create a new .mer, select 8.0, and finally download it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do write to us. Tech support at controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. Thanks again. Bye now.